Welcome to I Spy with Twinkl Kids TV. Today, we're at the dentist's office to play a new game of I Spy. Can you help me find all the things here at the dentist's office? I spy with my little eye something you might sit or lie on for your checkup. What do you think it is? You're right! It's a dental chair. These chairs can move up, down and back, so the dentist can get a good view of your teeth. Now for our next find. I spy with my little eye someone who can check your teeth and help you if you have a toothache. Who is this and where could they be? You found them! It's the dentist. Dentists clean your teeth and give you medicines if you have toothache. What's up next? I spy with my little eye someone who can help look after your teeth and count them. Who is this? Can you find them? It's the dental nurse. Well done! Dental nurses help the dentist to count your teeth and clean them. Great job! Now it's time for another. I spy a tool that might be used to see all the different sides of your teeth. Have a good look around and see if you can find it. There it is! A mirror! Tiny mirrors like this are used by dentists to check the sides of your teeth that might be difficult to see. Now what can we see? I spy something a dentist might use to be able to see your teeth if the room is a bit dark. What is it? Where can you find it? Great work! It's a light. Dentists use big overhead lights so they can see inside your mouth nice and easily. Next up, I spy something you might hold in your hand and use to clean your teeth at home. Where can you find it? You've got it! It's a toothbrush! It's important to use your toothbrush at home to clean your teeth twice a day. What else do we have here? I spy something you need to use with your toothbrush to make sure your teeth are sparkling clean. Do you know what it is? Well done! It's toothpaste! Toothpaste makes sure your teeth are fresh and clean every day. Now for the next one. I spy a machine a dentist might use to see your teeth up close. Can you figure out what this is? Have a good look around. You've got it! It's an X-ray. X-rays can see your bones and teeth where we normally can't check. Dentists might use this to see your grown-up teeth before they've come through. We just have a couple more things to find. I spy something a dentist might wear on their face to protect their eyes. What is this? And where could it be? Have you found it yet? It's goggles! Dentists need to wear goggles to protect their eyes and help them to see your teeth. Just one more to find. Do you think you can do it? I spy something you might wash around your mouth after your checkup at the dentist. Do you know what it is? Where could it be? Great job! It's mouthwash! Mouthwash can help clean our teeth and gums and keep our breath nice and fresh. Now we've found all of the things at the dentist's office. Let's see if you can remember where they all were. Have a look at these two scenes. There should be 5 things different about them. See if you can spot them all. Here are all the differences. Did you spot them all? Well done for spotting everything at the dentist's office. Make sure you come back another day to play more I Spy on Twinkl Kids TV.